So this is a 2015 Toyota Sienna, and I'm gonna do the thermostat. So the thermostat is located on the passenger side of the van. So what you're gonna have to do to get the thermostat out is you're gonna have to take this engine mount off first, which I've already done, but I'm gonna show you the whole process. You're gonna have to take this engine mount. You're gonna have to take this motor, the engine mount here. This is like where it mounts onto the engine. There's 6 bolts, all different sizes. You're gonna have to get those out, but you're not gonna be able to take this off all the way. You're just gonna scoot it back, and then you're gonna have to take off this pulley right here. That's a 14. You're gonna take that pulley off, and then you can get to the thermostat right there. So that engine mount just sits here. There's a bolt that goes through the middle. So you just need to take that bolt out, unloosen these 3. There's 2 more pieces here that go like this. And then I believe that goes under that. So all that needs to come off. And then you can just pull it out of the way and leave that there. That won't be in your way. And then you can work. You're also going to have to remove the serpentine belt, or just part of it, so that way you can get that pulley off. And that's the idler pulley that's right below this. And the actual thermostat is 2 10mm bolts. And the reason you have to take this off is to get, well, you can get to this bolt here with an extension, but this isn't coming off unless this is out of the way. Okay, so here is all 6 of the bolts. 1 there up front, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one in the very back, the goldish one, is kind of hidden. So make sure you find that one. Yeah, like I said, this piece is not gonna come all the way out because there's not enough room, so you're just gonna have to lift it up. And one thing I did for the bolts on the engine mount that goes into the engine, I just marked them because they're all different sizes and you don't want to mix them up. It is a bit time consuming, so be prepared. A lot of these bolts are really hard to get to because there's not much room here. So you're gonna have to work around some things. You're gonna have to be patient, and you know, it is doable, so just know that. So this is what the thermostat looks like. This looks like it was a factory thermostat. It looks to be in pretty good shape. It's extremely heavy duty. This spring is impressive. I wanted to be on the safe side and replace it just in case, because I just did a radiator and, you know, a flush and all that good stuff. So I would suggest, you know, replacing it if you don't know if it's ever been done, so that way you can be on the safe side. But that's just my suggestion.